Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Namrata from A13 batch, and we are excited to share with you a practical demonstration of how Python can be used to classify emails as spam or not spam. This will be done using a simple Navivius classifier. So, here to begin with, these libraries will help us convert text into numerical data, split our data set, create and train our model, and evaluate its performance. And then next, preparing the data set, we create a small data set of emails and their corresponding labels. In our example, 1 denotes spam and 0 denotes non-spam. So the next step is converting text data. So to feed this text data in our Python model, we need to convert it into numerical features. This is done using count vectorizer. Here, this converts the text into a matrix of token counts, enabling the algorithm to process the data. So fourth step is to splitting the data set. We then split the data set into training and testing sets. This allows us to train our model on one portion of the data and test its performance on the another one. Here, the step 5 is creating and training the model. Now we create a multinomial Navi-BS classifier and train it on the training data. Then the Navi-based classifier is particularly well suited for this type of problem because it assumes that the features are independent, which simplifies the calculations. The step 6 is making predictions and evaluating model. Here we use the model to make predictions on the test data and evaluate its performance. The accuracy score tells us how often the model correctly classifies emails, while the classification report provides more detailed performance metrics. The step 7 is predicting new mails. Here, finally, we can use our trained model to predict whether new mails are spam or not. Then, by vectorizing these new mails and using our model to predict their labels, we can quickly identify which ones are likely spam. Then we conclude that in summary, this example demonstrates the power and simplicity of using Python to classify emails as spam or not spam. By converting text data into numerical features, training an AVBS classifier, and evaluating its performance, we can create an effective spam filter. This process highlights the practical applications of Python in everyday tasks and the potential for these techniques to streamline and enhance our digital communications. Thank you for your attention, and I hope this demonstration has provided valuable insights into the workings of email classification using Python.